Alrighty, I'm just grabbing my butters, man, because today's the day. I'm gonna do my Yeezy Adidas V2 review. Not for the butters. I just want to show you guys I have the butters. I love the butters, and the butters are actually the pair that got me into Yeezy collecting and collecting shoes. So big shouts out to the butters, man. I love the butters, man. I love how clean and simple they are. I never made a video for these guys, but I wore them a ton. I try to keep them as good as condition as possible, but I love these butters. I actually have these butters in size 8, and I did get my other V2s in that black and red colorway. I got them from the Confirm app. Let me go get them really quick. Here they are. Oh, yes, guys, look. Check them out. I always wanted this pair of shoe, guys, and luckily I got so lucky again on the Confirm app. Not only did I win the slides, I won these bad boys, and I always wanted these because they're in black. I love the red stripe, and I just wanted them in black so bad because when I wear my butters, they're awesome, don't get me wrong, but they get dirty, and they get dirty quick. Really quick. So it's really nice to have the black pair finally. I'm like, yes, I can't believe it. I can't believe I won these, man, on the Confirm. What's good? I've been getting lucky, man. Holy smokes, my dog's going crazy out there. What's he doing? Alrighty, so we got 2 pair of Yeezys here. That is right. We got the butter, and then we have this red and black colorway, which I flippin' love. Like I was talking about earlier, I love that I was able to win these on the Confirm app. And I still can't believe I've been getting so lucky. But I've had the butters for about 2 years already. As you can tell, I wore the crap out of them. They look kind of messed up, but not too bad. I really do try to take care of them. And they are my favorite shoe because I love the minimal branding. And I personally like when they don't have the stripe here. So if they made like an all black pair with no stripes on them, I feel like I would love these even more so that they would just stay black and then clean. But butters have served me so well that I was like, you know what? It's time. And luckily, I hit so well on the Confirm app and got these. But I did get them in 7.5. I usually get shoes in 7.5 across the board, Adidas and Nike. But it's really interesting in regards to sizing really quick, guys, that these, I wish I got them in 8s. And I'll explain why. The butters that I have here are in size 8. And they fit so well, and that's so weird to say because usually when I get an 8, I have this much of a gap left, but not in this case. In this case, when I'm wearing my butters, I only have like a gap like this, and I'm not sure why the sizing is so weird, but now that I got these bad boys in size 7.5, I should have went for 8s, but it is what it is because I won them, so it's all good. But in the 7.5s, literally my toe is like right on the end like right in the border. And that's usually good for like cleats and everything. But I realized like it does feel uncomfortable wearing these in 7.5s. And I just want to let you guys know that if you do size up to an 8, it's really nice because it does give you like at least a little bit of wiggle room, and not much. It like gives you a little bit of wiggle room where you just feel really confident with the shoe. And I wish I just followed my gut and got them again in 8s, because the butters are 8s, and unfortunately these bad boys are not 8s. They are 7.5, and dang it, I just wish they were just a little bit more comfy, because if I had that little bit more wiggle room, it would have been so good. When it comes to comparing the butters to these red and black colorway, they're identical. Literally can't tell a difference. They literally have that amazing boost in the bottom, super comfy. Oh my goodness, still feel outstanding. I love the overall silhouette. And like I said, luckily in the black colorway, it's really nice because they don't get dirty. I've worn these like thousands of times already, and look how nice and prestigious they do look compared to my butters, that they do have like this weird like shading in the toe box because they did get dirty. Granted, I've had them longer, but still, you know with the black, it's gonna stay nice and clean. You still get the same exact lacing system, the classic Yeezy V2 look. And I love these laces, guys. I don't talk about laces enough, but these are really nice and thick, and they really are stretchy. So I really love these laces. These are some high quality laces. Let me know down below, do you like these laces? Because I personally like, it's one of the reasons why I like Yeezys. These laces are so nice. Oh my gosh, it's so slick. Going to the heel, guys. Unfortunately, you don't get the heel tab on the new ones. So these, you'll see that they don't come with the heel tab. In my butters, you do get the heel, which I really like. I think it's a really nice touch, but it's kind of weird. They removed it on these, and they're both V2s. So not sure what happened there, but they don't come with heel tabs. The butters do, but these black and red pair don't. Other than that, literally a same exact upper, so no difference in the upper. Super comfortable, breathable, same thing that you've always expected. Now, with the butters, we don't have the line in there because it is not filled in. So I really personally love that because minimal branding. You guys already know how I feel about minimal branding. Here with the red and black pair, see that you're getting this nice red stripe across. It does say Yeezy. Definitely doesn't say Yeezy, but it says SPLY 350. Really nice, super clean. Wish it honestly didn't have it there. Would be really nice with just a red stripe, but I get it. It is what it is. It's not really like too much in your face. You do get the 3 stripes down the heel here. So in the inside, just like these guys in the butters. Really nice. You could tell that the 3 stripes do stay there. If you do, be careful. Just make sure to always kind of like pull down your tab, untie your laces so that these 3 stripes don't come off. They are kind of like a sticker, kind of, not really, like a better quality kind of like rubber. They do a good job with lasting. Obviously, I've kept my pair pretty good and intact in the butters. That's always good. Now, in regards to the inside, we're talking about the overall sole of the shoe. Here we go. We're looking at it. It says Adidas Yeezy in red. Super cool. Also, one thing that will eventually disappear if you don't be careful, like my butter pair, unfortunately, it is in there, and you could tell like it's seen some better days. Ah, gosh, I tried my best. Obviously, the main thing with these shoes is that it uses the boost. You can see that exposed boost on the bottom. I flippin' love it. So comfortable, guys. Now, I know for me personally, the silhouette is getting a little old, and I hope Yeezy, Kanye West, if you're listening, switch it up a little bit. But for the most part, I really still love these shoes. Definitely going to be wearing them a lot. This is probably going to be my last pair I get, just because I feel like the silhouette is getting a little bit outdated, personally speaking, but I really do love it. Now, with the red pair, unlike the butters, so if we take a look at the inside here, portion of the shoe, you'll see that the butters, since they are just one tone color, that there's no like transition between the suede here. Now in the red pair, we do have a transition in the suede, which I personally love. I love the little freckles of red that you're getting, those little tones of red. I think it makes the silhouette a little bit classier and overall just super smooth when you're transitioning to this huge red line on the other side. Now, one gripe that I have with the shoe is, for me personally, I have such a hard time combining black shoes. Like, I don't know what it is. I always want a black shoe, super happy I have them, but it's so hard to match with them. If you guys have any pointers, like obviously I can wear black jeans and that stuff, but you know, other than that, I don't really know how to wear these. I wear them with shorts and stuff when I'm chilling. I always feel like they're just like in your face because they're black with that huge red line. My fiance, actually my wife, she's gonna be pissed. Oh, I'm sorry, babe. But my wife, she says that they're not her favorite. They're her least favorite Yeezy ever, just because of the red line. She says it's like way too in your face and just comes at her too much. And she says that personally, like, they look kind of boring. I really like them. It's just hard to combine them with different outfits. So if you guys have any outfit suggestions, let me know in the comment section below so that I can do a better job with wearing these correctly. But other than that, I flipping love them. You're still looking at a great shoe overall, and I personally think these are a go. You can get them on the Confirm app and are lucky just like me. Hopefully you are. I'm gonna send some luck your way right now. Make sure to cop them, but overall, I love this shoe. Super similar to the butters, feels exactly the same, except for I wish it just sized up. For the first time ever, I'm saying that right here on the vlog, on this review. I wish instead of getting them a 7.5, I would have got them in a flipping 8, because that little bit of wiggle room just would have been perfect. Now, if these were cleats, then I would definitely keep copping the 7.5. But since I just want a little bit more comfort out of the shoe, definitely wish I just sized up just a half a size. It would have been perfect. But if you guys already know how your V2s fit, then definitely go true to size. You're still looking at the same exact shoe and everything, so nothing really changes here. And I wish they would just add that heel tab. I think it just adds a little bit more spice. Look at that. I like it. I like it. I like it. I love the butters though. I'm not gonna lie. I love the butters. They're my favorite. They're my favorite Yeezy ever. Ever. All right, guys, I'm gonna jump to some shots here with me wearing the shoes, and then you let me know down below, is this a shoe you're gonna be copying? If so, let me know down below what you're gonna do to get them. Are you gonna wait for the Confirm app? Are you getting them on GOAT? I just wanna know. I wanna know. If not, why aren't you getting them? And if so, if you're not doing it, then what colorway are you going for?